Hello everyone, welcome to Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. So, Butchok and Tatay are threshing this rice. I was going to say by hand, but it's actually looks like it's by foot. What do you call this technique, Tatay?
In Bisaya, giok.
In Bisaya, giok?
Yeah, that is natural procedure.
The natural way?
Yeah.
So, where's the completed part? Is this?
Yeah.
No, so is this remaining, or I mean, where's? Oh, I'm looking for the old, the stalks. What's been completed?
That is the waste.
This is the waste. So I'm just trying to look here. I mean, not that I don't have faith in what or how they're doing this here, but I'm just trying to look and see if it's an effective way. And yeah, it looks like there's no more rice in here. I think the consensus is that there really wasn't enough to call a thresher down here and have them do it. That this was the most economical way. And it's looking like they're almost done. So this is the unmilled rice here.
We need to blower.
So we need to, I don't understand, we need to run that through a blower?
Yeah. We use the stand pan. Okay.
We use what?
Stand pan.
Sand pan?
Yeah, electric pan.
Oh, electric fan. Oh, okay. So, and that's to get that's to separate the husks from the rice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's looking like what they got here, they'll get about 3 sacks of unmilled rice, which is what, 1.5 sacks of milled rice. I can't really tell by how much they got left here. Yeah, about 3 sacks of. So we're going to get like 3 sacks of unmilled rice, Tatay? Which is what, maybe 1 sack?
Maybe 1 sack grain.
1 sack grain? Yeah, so this wasn't a great harvest. And that's the best spin you can put on it. More of a catastrophe than anything else. And we're going to have discussions in fact we could begin that right now, discussions on why it was such a poor harvest.
Sorry.
So what happened, Tatay? Why did we get so little rice? I mean, what is your opinion? What happened?
Let for the spray for the rice bag. Maybe 4 days before, after the rice bag is almost.
So we should have sprayed more for the
rice bag.
The rice bug.
Now remember the neighbor harvest, then the rice bag from.
Well, yeah, I do kind of remember that. Yeah. So the neighbor harvested, and then all his bugs came over to our field.
Yeah, then maybe 4 days after harvest, then no spray. Then the bug is almost.
So the bugs were over here having a party in our field.
Yeah.
And then some bird problem, maybe? No?
The bug is
Bugs.
number 1.
So the bugs was the number 1 problem. So what could we have done to fix that problem? We just should have sprayed?
Spray. Before harvest the neighbor, spray first in the field. Then
so before he harvested, we should have sprayed.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Wheel it. Maybe 4 days. after harvest.
Well, next time we know if there's going to be a next time. So this rice we need to lay it out on a tripal and let it dry.
No.
No?
I clean first.
You're going to clean it first? Okay.
Takon ko yung lubid yo. The one full of coconut we cut down.
And the one by the bodega?
No, near the stockpile.
Yeah.
But you climb underneath. Climb the
Butchok's going to climb it and trim the top?
yeah. After.
Yeah, Butchok is a professional coconut tree climber. I'm not joking. That's actually his main job is harvesting coconuts, and he can climb a tree like nobody I've ever seen. All right, so 3 sacks of unmilled rice. We'll get probably a sack of actual real rice out of it, which is, you know, more. I'm sorry, swimmer, didn't mean to step on you. Which is more than what Consing had said we would get, but considerably less than what we had hoped for, and what we woulda, coulda, shoulda have expected. So this is about a 10% of what I thought we would get, of what I expected that we would get, and it's just, you know, there's reasons for it. Should have been sprayed more. I'm of the opinion it should have been fertilized more.
You have the same stepping, no? Their stepping dance is very synchronized. Like my first time seeing like this.
Yeah, we need to get the grapes in.
Gina, like short now, Mama.
Oh, you think Gina should practice?
No, he said the fence is mine.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, so that's about what we got out of this. I don't know if we're going to plant rice in these fields again. They're going to have, you know, they finally wore me down before to agree to let the fields be planted in rice. And from the way it's turned out, they're going to have to, I don't know, they're going to have to really turn the heat up to get me to agree to waste another 10,000 plus pesos on planting these fields in rice. Really disappointed. But, you know, I hate to leave something untried. We may try it again just to let me put it this way: if we do try it again, it'll just be for me to prove to myself that just prove to myself whether it would under any circumstances be a break-in proposition, or maybe even a profitable one with these rice fields. So far, no. I mean, this is about a third of a hectare. So if we had extrapolated this out to a full hectare, we would have lost 30,000 pesos on a hectare. And you know, while it's my opinion that rice farming in the Philippines is not colossally profitable anyway in the first place, I would, you know, logic says that it can't be done harvest after harvest after harvest at a loss. I mean, there has to be a way to make it profitable. Tatay has, you know, he has reasons why it wasn't. Maricel has some reasons why it wasn't. again, I wasn't, because I don't know anything about it, I wasn't, other than suggesting it be fertilized more, because from my general experience about the soil here, there wasn't much that I could add to the recipe to make it more or less successful. This was kind of Tata and Maricel's deal. So I don't know what we're going to do, but when we know something, we'll let you guys know. So thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.